Welcome to Skydax, the #1 hosting for Filipinos. We are an emerging company that offers competitive web hosting products at more than half the cost. We offer WordPress hosting, VPS, and domain hosting. Try Skydax. Switch, you'll love it here. Visit us on skydax.com.
Hello Skydax users, this is Joe from Skydax Marketing, and we would like to show you the tutorial on how you're supposed to order from our website for the hosting and domain bundles. So please click on order now for the WordPress hosting and domain. This will redirect you to our order page. You can just type your domain name on the box for the first option. So choose your new domain and then click on check to see if the domain name is available. After checking it, and once you find out that your domain is available, you can just click on continue. This redirects to another page in which you're just not going to do anything, but you just have to click on the word continue again. Afterwards, as you can see, you have the review and checkout page, and this is where you can see that the total is supposed to be around 1,200, but then what you're going to do is you're going to type the code, and once the code is applied, it gives you a discount which amounts to about 200 pesos. So that means that your original price goes down to 948 pesos, and you can just click on checkout. After clicking on checkout, you can see that you have the page where you are supposed to choose your payment options. Click on the one that you prefer, and then you complete your order, and it will redirect you to the page where you will find the instructions in your invoice. And that's just about it. So if you have any questions, you can just send us an email, or you can just send us a message on our Facebook Messenger. Thank you so much, guys, and keep on supporting our products. Bye now.